Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. This is the JavaScript tutorial series that you know. Okay, and it's 5:44 in the morning, and I'm pretty much hyped. I don't know why. Why am I so full of energy right now? Okay, so I thought I'll make a video for you guys. Okay, so in the previous video, if I'm not wrong, I guess we discussed if else statements. Okay, and in this video, we're going to discuss arrays. Okay, so what arrays are? Arrays are just a data type. Okay, where you can store multiple values. So for example, if I were to create a variable here, so I can store this value. Okay, this value will be stored in this variable. But what if I want to store, let's say, 10, 20, 30, 40, or a lot of things, okay, inside only one variable. Okay, so this is where the concept of array comes in. So how do we create an array? Okay, so create an array by using our favorite let keyword, and then we give a name, and we will put equal to, and then these square brackets, and in these square brackets we write whatever we want to store inside the array. Okay, so let's say first thing, let's let's uh, let's say wake up. Okay, sorry, and let's eat. No, let's not eat first. Let's exercise. You all know my love for exercise, right? And then we'll say eat, and then we'll say read a book. Okay, I don't know what the heck just happened to my typing. Cannot type. I don't know why. Okay, read a book, and then we'll say watch a movie. Okay, then we'll say sleep. Okay, so let's print it out and let's see what it does. Oh, why you do this? Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is what we have. You see these values that we inserted in our array. Okay, so wake up, exercise, eat, read a book, watch a movie, and then sleep. Okay, so now you want to print, when you want to print, when you want to print an array, you just say console.log and then the array name. Okay, so this is what our array looks like. It says wake up, exercise, eat, read a book, watch a movie, sleep, whatever the heck you want. Okay, and now one important thing, that in array the indexing starts from 0. So you see this wake up is at the 0th position, this exercise is at first, then eat is at second, although when we as humans count, okay, we start from 1. Okay, so we say this is the first, this is the second element, the third, the fourth, fifth, and sixth. But in terms of arrays, the indexing always starts from 0. So this is the 0th position, the first, the second, third, fourth, fifth. And the size of the array is 6. You can see here it is written 6, and also length is 6 right here. Okay, so there are a few functions, okay, of the array that we're going to discuss. But before that, let's say if I want to access any element from the array. Okay, so this is the beauty of the array, that you can just access any element if you know the either you should know the index, or you can know the element. Okay, so I'll show you both. Okay, so to access any element you need to write the array name and then these square brackets, pardon, and then you need to write the index. Okay, so let's say this is the 0th index, this is the first, then second, then third. Let's say if I want just read a book, so I know this is the 0, 1, 2, third index, so I'll write 3 here. So let's see what it prints. Okay, it says read a book right here. Similarly, if I were to print the sleep, I know it is at 5th index, so I'll say 5 and it says sleep right here. So this is how you can access any element in an array. Okay, and now let's head to the functions, okay, that are associated with the array. So let's see the first one, array dot index of. Now what this function says, it says array dot index of. Now let's suppose I want to know the index of any element that is inside the array. I know the element, but I do not know the index, so I want to know the index at which it is present. So let's say if I want to know this the index of this watch a movie, So I'll just say array.index of, and then I'll pass this value. So now it should give me 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So it should print out 4. Okay, so we'll see. So it says 4 right here. Okay, I'll just print the array also so that you can compare. Okay, so now you see this watch a movie is at 4, and we are printing the array.index of watch a movie, so it says 4 right here. Okay, so this is how you can access any element of the array, and you can also, using the index of, uh, you can get the index of any element inside the array. Now there are few functions of the array, so let's see. Okay, so the first one is array dot pop. So what pop does is it just removes the last element from the array. So this is the last element, sleep, right here, so it won't be present in the array anymore. Okay, so we are just printing the array here so you can see for yourself. So we only have wake up, exercise, eat, read a book, and watch a movie, and also the size is decreased. It is 5 now. Previously it was 6. So we just popped an element. You can say pop a cherry, kind of thing. So it just popped an element. Okay. So pardon my bad mouth. So it just removes the last element. Now if I were to say push, there is another function push. What else it will do is, let's write something. Okay, let's write something original. Push. Okay, so what push does is it just adds this, whatever the value we are providing it, it will just add this value to the end of the array. So after this sleep, a new element will be added. Okay, and let's see what it does. So you see now our array has 7 elements: wake up, exercise, eat, read a book, watch a movie, sleep, and push. Size is also increased 7. Okay, so now these are the two things that are concerned with the final with the last element of the array. Okay, so there are two more functions. The first one is shift. So what shift does is, I'll just remove this value. So what shift does is shift just removes the first element from the array. So let's save it and let's see. So you see the wake up value is not in our array anymore. We are printing the array here. So it says exercise, eat, read a book, watch a movie, sleep. Okay. Similarly, there is one more function, unshift. What it does is it just adds a value at the start of your array. So if I were to say, let's let's say something, let's say shift. Okay, so it will just, now our array has 7 elements. In addition to our 6 elements, we have one more here. So it says shift, the one that we added. Okay, this one. Okay, and all the elements are there. Okay, wake up, exercise, eat, read a book, watch a movie, sleep. Okay, so this is how you can insert an element at the start of the array. So I'll just write all the functions here for you so you can remember. Okay, in push we provide some value. So you see what we're doing is we're first adding a value. So unshift, what it does is it just adds a value at the first. Okay, so this value will be added. Now shift will remove the value from the start, so this value will be removed. Then pop will remove the last value, and then push will add a new value at the end. Okay, so sleep is not here anymore. This is wake up is here, exercise is here, eat, read a book, watch a movie. Sleep was removed, okay, from here, and then it says ASFD was added. So this is what our final array looks like. Okay, so these are the few things. Okay, and how many times I'm gonna say okay, 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 okay. I cannot. That's it. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I wanted to discuss in this video. Okay. 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 If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and like, share, and comment. And see you guys in the next video. Okay.